Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an inspiring makeup look for spring, and this is by the makeup artist Makeup by Trina, and I'm going to recreate this look by using my favorite eyeshadow palette by Kiss. If you guys can see it, if you can't, I'm going to show you guys in the video towards the end, and yes, so let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to take some brown eyeshadow. Let me back there so you guys can see a little bit. And I'm going to use a little bit of brown. That's just the color brown. I'm going to move back up so you guys can see. So I'm going to go all over. So I already have my concealer on, and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid, the brown. And I'm going to go with some, it's like a gold color she had placed. So I'm going to use some gold, and I'm going to use, what's this? Oh, it's called Gold Digger. I'm going to use that color. I'm going to place that in the middle of my eye just a little bit, if you guys can see. Sorry, my hair is getting in the way. I'm going to apply that just a little bit. Just going to blend, blend, blend. And I'm going to use, let me see, it's called Salute Room. It was a sweet room. I can't see him. So I'm going to apply a little bit of that color in there, in the inner corner of my eye, just like Trina did. And then I'm going to use this glitter called Dig It. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye to give it a shimmer. And there you have it. You have the same exact look. So now I'm just going to apply some concealer to lift it, and then I'm going to show you guys that. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer here. And I'm going to apply a little around here. And I'm just going to let that dry for a little bit. But as long as we let this dry, I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing here. So we're going to let this dry. And I also want to say that I love this look. It looks very vibrant. It's very natural looking. And it's just more of like a spring look. So we're going to start again with the different colors. We're going to use this brown called Private Beach. I don't know if you guys can see it. So the picture. Okay, I'm going to use a dark brown. Sorry. I'm going to use the dark brown. We're going to place it all over the eye, on top of the eyelids, and we're just going to go back and forth, and we're just going to apply. And next I'm going to take a small little brush, and I use a gold color. This one is called Gold Digger, and I'm just going to apply it in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm just going to blend that out. And next I'm going to take my Sweet Room, which is like a teal color. I'm going to apply that in the inner crease of my eye. And I'm going to take this glitter, it's called Dig It, and I'm going to apply it as well on top so the color can be really vibrant and showcase the color more. Okay, and all now I'm going to do is apply the concealer, and after we apply the concealer on this side, we're going to go ahead and blend that one in. And I'm going to apply it here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start blending this side out so you guys can see the whole transition. So you guys can see the transition of the color, and I'm going to apply a little concealer here around the corner of my mouth area. Let that dry a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. And I'm just easily patting, and then that's it. Just showing you guys a natural, easy way of applying concealer and eyeshadow. You don't need that much eyeshadow, and you don't need that much concealer. So I'm just going to use this side, and I'm going to use that side. I'm going to blend this out just a little bit because I wanted my makeup to look really good. I'm going to blend out this here. And I'm going to use Nicka K lip oil. We're going to see how this works. This is their new lip oil. If you guys don't have it, you can find it at your local beauty supply store. I forgot how much it costs. It shouldn't cost that much. It probably like $1.99, $2.99, or $3.99. It will have a candy taste to it and a smell. So it smells really good. It kind of reminds me of candy. I don't know, it's now or later, but anyway, this is my look. So I transformed into Miss Trina. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Very simple, very easy. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that again. All you need is brown, gold, and a teal blue. That's more settled. That's not too loud, but it does give you this effect. Let me see, I'm going to put a little bit more. So I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and come back for more beauty tips and tricks for spring and summer. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.